everyone, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing and I'll be using the Dynabliss DBS220. I received this free to test out. This is IPX7 electric shaver. My favorite part of this shaver, actually, and I'll show you, is right here. It's the USB type, micro USB actually, port. Gives you 100 minutes of charge. I used it for a minute already. That's what it sounds like. We're going to scroll down to the number. See, 99 minutes left. So it's on currently. We're going to move here to the sink. So there's 3 right there. And you can pop this open and clean it out. This part unlocks so you can change out the different pieces in here. Here's all the motor pieces there that work. So it tells you how much time you have left, shows you the battery level. This is easy to change. See, they're independently moving, and the whole thing moves as well. And then on the back, a flip out beard trimmer shaver. So we're going to show you that real quick. We're going to turn it on. Took care of that, no problem. Look at that, super quick. So this will do your beard trimming that you need. And then to finish up, you can use these. Nice and smooth, super easy. And there it is, all cleaned up. Great for travel. Charge it with any micro USB cable because of the micro USB port. So that's very nice and gives you up to 100 minutes of shaving. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter, and this is the Dynabliss